Tell Daddy how you just gagged yourself with the spoon and couldn't get it out. La 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 la. Yeah? Did you want to go swimming and Mommy wouldn't let you? Oh, yeah. I see. Tell me more. Oh my goodness. Here you go. Wow. I'm sorry you couldn't go swimming. That's alright. You want to try the spoon again? I'll stick it in so far this time. Oh, there.
Peekaboo. Hababoo.
Boo.
Hababoo. Hababoo. Woo-woo-woo-woo-woo-woo-woo.
Talk to her. Hi, baby. Not in the baby voice.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah.